Alright my friends, on the last video we have used our data here inside our reducer. It is time for us to return it to the store. Well, here it's very easy to do so. The only thing that you have to do it is to go ahead and import a function from Redux. Alright, we are going to import a function from Redux, and the benefit of this function, it will combine all the reducers and send it to the store, because remember the store, it's a collection of reducers, and we are going to use the combine reducers function from Redux to put all the reducers together and send it to the store. So here I'm just gonna say combine reducers, and here on the bottom I'm just gonna say combine reducers. It's a function that will take an object, and this object we can give it all the reducers that we need to pass to the store. And since we have only the courses reducer, so I'm just gonna say courses to be courses. But since the key and the value are the same, we can get rid of this part. So this is an ES6 feature. Alright, so once again we have combined all the reducers. In this case we only have one, but later on we are gonna add more. And I'm just gonna export this function, alright, because I want to use it somewhere else. So export default, I'm just gonna use the default export because this is the only thing that I'm gonna export. And I'm gonna import it here inside my index.js and pass it to create a store function, because the create store will wait for a reducer right here, alright, and it will take it and give it to our store right here. Alright, so we need to import our reducers from the reducers file. So import, I'm just gonna call it reducer from whatever will be exported from our reducers file. Make sense? And here I'm just gonna pass my reducer right here. So reducer like that. So once again I'm gonna repeat what I have did. We are creating the store using the create store function. The create store, it will wait for all the reducers that will be combined together and set it to our store. And to do that, we have used the combine reducer function from Redux to combine all the reducers that we have. In this case, we only have one reducer, so that's it. Later on, we are gonna add more. So in this video, we have completely set up Redux. So now we are ready to fetch our courses that we have returned right here and use it in any React component. That's what we are gonna do next. In the next video, we are going to show you how to connect any React application to the Redux store, so we can fetch the data and display it as well. So thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.